Okay, so let's go to that market.
Boss, yung night market hanggang ano oras open yun? 2 o'clock. Ngayon bukas siya na? Oh. Hanggang 2.
We're off to the night market. It's just down the road to the right. Yeah, we figure we're gonna go check it out because we're leaving tomorrow already. So it's our last night, so might as well go check it out, get some bargain, get some good stuff. I'm gonna stop by an ATM first because we are supposed to bring cash there. They don't take anything else but cash. Not even GCash, no credit card, of course. So here I am now. I'm gonna withdraw some money. I got 1K. I'm planning to buy shoes, but I think it's gonna cost more than that. They say it's 100 pesos. I doubt it. I'm gonna buy some briefs and underwear. Some used socks. So from Cedar Peak, which is just up there, you can see how close it is because we just go down the road and it's already right there. So let's go spend our bling bling. How you like that? Are you excited? You know, buying like cheap stuff
Goodbye.
gets me all excited. Damn, it's actually pretty cold. I should have brought my jacket. But since I didn't bring a jacket, I'm just gonna buy a jacket because they say it's like 20 pesos.
Wala.
Oh no, they don't have 20 peso jacket. They have 20 peso briefs. Sad. This way. Come on. It's this way, dear. So there it is. That's the market. This is the famous Baguio Night Market. Yeah, I think we just follow where everyone is going. Yeah, you go like this, and then at the end you go around, and then at the end you go around again. Yeah, it's pretty far. I mean, it's long, but it's okay. You have until 2 a.m. I have my bag though, so let's see. It says right there, no entry. Keep right. So I think you're supposed to go one way. You can't counterflow. Here, entrance one way. There's Mano. Hold my hand so you don't get lost. Tingnan natin itong shoes. They got shoes. 350 each.
Ayun na.
Bam. 350. That's yes. Kung kaya libutin kita, basta mo.
Wallet lang siya.
Wallet. Click sana yung ano to eh. Yung ganito. Wala ka? Ukay.
Overrun or ukay?
No. $200. Yeah. Kunin ko pa. Okay. Thank you po. Dalawa. Same size. Magkano yung dalawa? Sige, kunin ko na.
Okay.
We're here trying the night market. Right beside the night market, there's this food market, and they're also open until 2 a.m. I heard. You guys can just try different types of Filipino street food, from balot to binatog to mango to mais and all of that stuff. So here you can see it's a pretty big area just for food. Yeah. I got some fried mandu for 12 pesos each. It's not bad. It's good, yeah? It's gonna fall. Oh,
Tapos may halo pa dyan.
We're gonna eat the Penoy.
Yung ube, masarap din siya. Pero medyo parang lasang artificial talaga.
Kasi sa strawberry.
Yung strawberry medyo parang, you know, because strawberry tastes so sharp.
Kasi may pulp, you know.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go on the other side.
Meron talaga sila.
Alright, so we finished our night market tour. I got me some things. I mean, they weren't that cheap. It's like basically like Green Hills price. Although I just bought something just, you know, for the experience of buying something in the night market. We got a lot of food. We got a lot of street food. And I think we're gonna cap the night. We're gonna head back to Cedar Peak and we're gonna get some good sleep. So tomorrow we're ready to head back home to Manila.